Hey gang! Welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on all those wonderful places. This is a throwback bag. It's the November 2017 Ipsy glam bag. The theme is All You, where they featured Ipsy members that don't have super big social media followings or anything, yet I wasn't one of them. However, there's a lot of cool products in here. So let's get into them and start exploring and playing with makeup. So hey gang, November 2017 to Tomboy Beauty for the Ipsy. Oh, we have a special guest in this episode. Oh, it's Miss Thing, Miss Phoenix in all of her beautiful glory. Sleeping on clothes that should not be on my couch, but they are. So there she is, doing her lazy cat thing. Anyway, got a nice little jewel-toned bag here. So there was like a yellow bag and a like teal bag, and I have the teal bag. The theme was like all you. It's a time, the way we see it, November. This is now September, so it's almost a year old. Is a time to reflect on what matters most. For us, what matters most is you. So they've highlighted 5 real Ipsters that inspire them with no massive Instagram followings or anything like that. And the cat thinks I'm talking to her, and now she's ignoring all of us. That's awesome. So anyway, we'll ignore you because we're going to talk about beauty products. So, okay. So we have Clark's Botanicals Deep Moisture Mask. It's a pleasant smelling mask. Now, here's what's different about this bag. Usually you don't get like 2 of the same thing. So there's a mask, but then they have another mask because it's MudMasky Facial Detox Purifying Recovery Mask. So there's 2 masks. So all about liking the mask in the month of November. Then we have Advanced Real Moisture Foundation from Touch in Soul, which, there we go, a little foundation. See. Yeah, it's actually, I can actually wear it. Oh, wow, it actually is good. It's got SPF 30 in it, which would have been great for summer, but hey, it's even more great because I'm almost out of foundation. Then we have Bang Beauty Lip Gloss in Spice. Let's see what Spice looks like. Sugar and spice and everything. Nice. There we go. Spice. Spice, baby. Then, finally, we have Tarte Deluxe Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty, which is like my 4th one. I have like 2 minis and 2 full-size ones. I pretty much have like 4 colors now. Oh, that was a little plastic thing. It's all, they put these little plastic things. So, I literally have like 4 from beauty boxes. I have Blushing Bride, Party, and Seduce, and now Feisty, which let's see what Feisty is. Feisty's like, I wouldn't call it a peachy, but it's definitely a little more on the peachy side. Might be able to use it as a bronzer too. So there. Our special guest is left. That is pretty much all the products. So there you go. That's where to follow me. I'll see you next time. Stay beautiful.